Many people profess to having experienced God through nature. I am one of them. We are accused of worshiping the creation rather than the Creator. But the truth is, we do not worship nature. We revere it. We respect it. We protect it. We preserve it. We become one with it. Ours is not a holy God. Our God neither needs nor demands worship, adoration, obedience, or sacrifice. We know that such are the machinations of innocent but ignorant men who were searching for answers where none were available. But there are answers now, however. Better answers. Better than burning bushes, talking serpents, poisonous fruit, one gender made from the ribs of another gender, parting seas, floating arks. Today, you can instead have deep respect and tremendous reverence for the Creator of all things by finding elements of God's nature within nature. These elements are plain to see if you would but look. They are in every single thing that surrounds you. You can see them and experience them with your senses. We are an animal species, and while we're extraordinary in so many ways, we lack the ability to see or understand creation. Creation will remain a mystery until we transition from this world to the next. In this book, you will learn that you are not separate from it. In this book, I demonstrate how you are a vital and integral part of this creation. You are not above it, you are not below it. You are a part of it. You are a part of the tapestry of life, and life is a gift. It was Einstein who brings credibility and credence to the convictions I set forth in this book. Look deep into nature, then you will understand everything better.